tell those off.
Hey guys, Christina here from DesignHer Inc. and we are at another one of our projects. This one's kind of unique though. We're midway through the construction process and we want to show you all the ins and outs of the stages of the construction, so come take a look with us.
I got pretty like a girl.
This project is a bakery, but it's not just your ordinary bakery. This is a 100% gluten-free bakery. And the owner came to me with requests to have a vibrant and powerful space for people to purchase their product from. When we think gluten-free, we think bland and flavorless, so we wanted to flip the script entirely and do quite the opposite. So come with us for the finishes and we'll show you how. We weren't kidding about vibrance. We decided to take the word and the title of the bakery and use it in a literal sense and incorporate glue into all the finishes throughout the space.